So good morning, Mom. My TED Talk is all about life is a journey, not a destination. Life is nothing but a journey of lessons, hardships, heartache, and special moments. It will ultimately lead us to our destination, our purpose in life. The road will not always be a plain path because throughout our travels we will face many challenges, and these challenges will face our courage, strength, weaknesses, and faith. Along our way, we may encounter obstacles that will come between our paths and we are destined to take them. This is what I think means life is all about living. So you don't need to pressure everything in life because the journey shapes the destination. The greatest danger for most of us is not that our aim is too high and we miss, but that is too low and we reach it. Life is not about finding yourself, but life is about creating yourself. Believe you can and you're halfway. There is not matter of how slowly you can go as long as you do not stop. Success is not final failure. It's not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. And I have one thing that I want you all to always remember before I end this speech. Put God in the center of everything because we cannot enjoy our journey and destination without His guidance.